Watch this video and learn how to draw a yummy cup of hot chocolate.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Hello, little artist.
Hello, little artists. We're glad you joined us.
Yeah, Artie's in a very good mood.
Well, I'm very pleased to hear that, Artie.
Yeah,
What should we do?
Artie want the drawing.
You want to do a drawing today?
Yeah.
Well, go and get some paper and some marker pens.
Okay.
Greetings, little artist!
What's up, little artists?
Hi, Betty and Mikey. Artie, are you ready to start?
Huh?
Are you ready? We're going to draw a lovely cup of hot chocolate.
Yeah, okay.
Man, Betty, look at that blank piece of paper. Isn't it exciting?
Oh, the possibilities!
Let's start by drawing a straight line down the left side of the page at a slight angle. Now we'll do the same on the right side of the page at an opposite angle. Let's join the bottom of the two lines together with a big curve, a sort of smile shape. That's it, Artie. You've already made the bottom part of the cup. Let's draw two tiny little lines and then another smiley curve underneath the first one that you did. This gives the bottom of the cup a little bit of detail, a sort of base to the cup.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
I can smell it, too.
Let's draw a saucer underneath the cup. A curve on the left side, a curve on the right side, and then connect those two curves together with another big, curvy, smiley shape. Go on, Artie, from the left side all the way across to the right. If we're going a little bit too quick for you, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's give our cup a handle. Draw a back to front C shape. It looks a bit thin, Artie. What can we do? Oh yes, let's thicken it by drawing another back to front C shape on the outside.
Betty, can you tell what it is yet?
Not yet.
Now we need to draw the rim or the top of the cup. Do another big smiley curvy shape, like when you smile, Artie. Now let's draw some of the hot chocolate pouring over the top of the cup. Draw a little curved line and then some sort of drippy shapes, almost like teardrop shapes. Imagine thick hot chocolate pouring over the rim of the cup.
Oh, yum, yum.
Yes, yum yum.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it.
Let's do another big teardrop shape. Oh yes, ooey gooey hot chocolate. It's already looking very tasty. Dance break? You want a dance break in the middle of the... Okay, go on then.
Clap along, little artists!
I mean, I have no choice, darling. It's 10. Oh, thing.
Great dance break, Artie. But can we carry on with the drawing of the hot chocolate? Come on. Let's draw a big blob of whipped cream on top of the cup.
Yeah.
Draw a sort of cloud shape. Imagine a big white fluffy cloud. Oh, I love that S shape you just added, Artie. Very creative. Adding lots of swirly S shapes makes the cream look even fluffier.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
A few more short curved lines, perhaps a spiral shape on the left, Artie. Yes, perfect. What can we add? Oh, I think he's had an idea, little artists. Let's see what he adds. Oh, is that a drinking straw? Oh, I know. It's the top part of a spoon. The handle of a spoon. Very clever, Artie. You know, this is looking pretty finished to me, but it's going to really need some colour to come alive. You finished? Great. Well, it looks really good, but it's going to need some lovely browns to look chocolatey. I hope you have some brown marker pens.
Do you think he should color it in now, little artists?
I do.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I think it looks fantastic. I love the 2 shades of brown and the way you used the pale blue colour for the handle of the spoon. Really creative, Artie. Another masterpiece.
Perfect. I think that one's going on the fridge.
It's the best.
Thanks for watching, little artists. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.